Introduction to HP Support Assistant. HP Support Assistant is the next best thing to having your own service technician, and it's available all day and all night whenever you need help with your HP computer or printer. To start it, select the Support Assistant icon. The device you selected will be shown in the top left box. Keep your equipment up to date by choosing Check for Updates and Messages to see if HP has any new information or software for the device. Choose Fixes and Diagnostics for help with your network, audio devices, optimizing your device's performance, and more. Choose one of the one-click Fixes options, or select the Diagnostic option for help. You can also use Guided Troubleshooting for help from a virtual agent. Select one of the topics shown, or select Ask Our Virtual Agent for help with another topic. You can also select Support Resources for more help and information. You have access to support resources such as Connect to the Virtual Agent, locate an HP Service Center, ask experts for help or join a conversation at the HP Support Community, go to the HP Product Support Center, begin a chat session with an HP agent, or get info to contact HP by phone. Options vary based on your product and your country or region. Select Support Cases to check your service orders and other support requests. Use software and drivers to find the latest software for your devices. There is also information specific to your product. For this notebook, there is a storage icon that shows how much storage space is left on your device. And the battery icon shows how much charge is in your battery. The Windows Security icon lets you check your device's security protection at a glance. It's easy to check the warranty status of your device by selecting the Warranty box. And find out about special offers, promotions, and other messages by clicking the Messages box. The My Services icon lets you check for HP rewards, offers, and promotions for your devices. Select the plus sign to add additional devices to the Support Assistant. You can select Detect My Device to check for any HP devices that are on the same network. Or, if you have your HP device's serial number, you can type it in manually to find out this device. Select Detect My Device. From the list of HP devices, select the one you'd like to add to your profile. Click Add Device. Choose your device, and its main support page will appear. With your HP profile, you can keep track of all your HP devices in one place, giving you access to personalized, product-specific support information, including the latest driver updates, warranty information, and other helpful tools. This way, the HP Support Assistant can help you update, diagnose, and troubleshoot issues. The HP Support Assistant is always here for you.